yes, buy-sell indicators. Don't we all love them? They tell you when to buy, so you buy. They tell you when to sell, so you sell. But here's the thing. Most of these indicators throw out a ton of false signals. In this video, though, I'm going to introduce a buy-sell indicator that's pretty solid on its own. But then I'll combine it with what I believe is the best trend indicator out there to filter out the noise and build a super profitable trading strategy. I'll also be sharing my back and forward test results with you all so you can see how capable this strategy is, plus a way to automate it into a bot with alerts, all for free. If you get value from this video, be sure to give it a like. Let's jump right in. To add this indicator to our chart, we will use TradingView, the platform I'll be working with. If you haven't signed up yet, there's a link in the video description. Next, pull up any trading security you like in any time frame. I'll be using the 5-minute chart for GBPJPY. Now click Indicators and type in Range Filter, Buy, and Sell. Select the one created by this amazing author. The magic of the range filter is how it smooths out price movement. Think of it as a noise canceller for your chart. Instead of reacting to every tiny wiggle, it waits for the price to break a certain threshold before signaling a trend change. It works a lot like volatility-based indicators, such as the QQE, but applies its logic directly to price data. The indicator calculates a smooth average price range and uses a multiplier to decide which price moves are significant. If the price stays within this range, it filters out the noise and shows the trend instead. This dynamic filter lets you focus on important price action rather than every small movement. The main components are the range filter line, which changes between white and blue based on the trend. In a bullish market, it's white and the candles match that color. In a bearish market, it's blue, and so are the candles. The high target at the top and the low target at the bottom act as trailing stop loss levels. The space between the targets and the range filter is shaded gray on top and blue at the bottom. Buy and sell labels mark where price breaks out. When price breaks above the high target, a buy signal appears. When it drops below the low target, a sell signal is printed. Let's look at the settings to see how flexible this tool is. The source has a default value of 100. Lowering this makes it more sensitive to price, while raising it gives you a broader market view. I'll stick with 100. The range setting affects how wide the filter's range is. A higher number widens the range, while a lower one narrows it. I'll keep this at the default too. The Style tab has options to customize the look. Adjust as you like, then click OK. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Even though this is a buy-sell indicator, it also helps identify trends. If candles are white and the price is above the range filter, the trend is bullish. If candles are blue and the price is below the filter, it's bearish. But to make this strategy even better, we need a second indicator, the Volumetric Variable Index Dynamic Average, or VIDIA, by Big Beluga. Set its length to 34, then click OK. Now tweak the range filter settings. In the Style tab, disable the range filter line, high and low targets, bar color, and target ranges. You'll keep only the buy and sell labels. And now it's time for you to define the targeting ranges. There are 2 easy ways to do this.
Unlock your trading potential with Fundex, trade up to $300,000 on a Fundex account, and earning up to 95% the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Fundex, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Trade with peace of mind thanks to our intelligent drawdown calculations. No unnecessary stress, just smooth sailing towards your trading goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next.
Here's how we'll use this strategy to enter a long trade. Wait for a buy signal from the range filter. Make sure the market trend is bullish. The trend ribbon should be green. Check the delta volume at the bottom. It needs to be at least 20%. The delta volume is the difference between bullish and bearish candle volumes within the trend. A minimum of 20% increases the chances of upward movement. In this example, we see delta volume above 20%, so we take a long position with a stop loss just below the recent swing low. Target a 1.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio, and this trade was a winner. Just a few candles later, we get another buy signal with the same conditions, a bullish trend and delta volume above 20%. This trade would have been profitable too. For short trades, reverse the process. Look for a sell signal and a bearish trend. The VDA trend ribbon should be red, delta volume should be at least minus 20% and growing more negative. In this example, delta volume hits minus 30 to 34%, which is well below minus 20%. Enter a short trade with a stop loss above the last swing high. Set a take profit at a 1.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio. This trade was also successful. Looking to step into the world of trading? Look no further. Introducing FP Markets, your ultimate trading destination. With a stellar reputation since 2005, FP Markets stands as a beacon of trust in the financial world. Regulated and reliable, we're your gateway to success in CFD and Forex trading. Imagine accessing a comprehensive suite of trading products all from one single account. With FP Markets, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. FP Markets has transformed my trading experience. I can diversify my portfolio effortlessly. Their platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making trading a breeze. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading game. Click the link above or in the description below to sign up, join the FP Markets community, and start your journey to financial success today. FP Markets, where trading dreams become reality. Well, after testing it on Solana's 15-minute time frame, these were the results we could achieve. By no means do I want to say that real-world results will be the same due to spreads, fees, and of course your mindset at the time you initiate each trade, but this is just a glimpse of its power. The range filter strategy pairs buy-sell signals with the VDA trend indicator and delta volume analysis. This combination filters false signals, ensuring trades follow strong trends for better profitability. As promised, here you can see 2 videos of how to turn any strategy into a bot with alerts, plus 2 other videos if you think this strategy is not for you. I promise you're gonna love them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.